Hi guys, this is the team from ThermoVape. Going to shoot a quick video about a new product of ours. This is the ThermoVape Universal Adapter. It comes in a little case. We're going to pop it out of there, but this is so if you're not using it, you can keep it. It fits in your pocket or your bag. And this is the ThermoVape Universal Adapter. So it's a simple part, but like everything we do, we took a lot of pride in designing it. We think it's the best adapter out there. I think it's the only one that does what this one here does. It's all precision machined. Brass. We then plate the brass with an electroless nickel plating, a medical device grade finish. We use a high temperature virgin PTFE as our insulating bushing. This is trademarked by DuPont as Teflon. Very durable, FDA approved, high temperature material. All of our contacts are electroless nickel plated for maximum conductivity. Importantly, this little adapter is clever in that it adjusts to help you make sure you get good contact with whatever device you're using. So I'm going to demonstrate it with a couple of our products that it works for. It'll work with any 510 product. This is a female 510 thread. So a couple examples of that would be our Ava atomizers. This is the Ava low resistance atomizer. We sell this in 3 different resistances, and this is a 510 thread, and it threads right into the adapter. The important thing when using the adapter is always thread in whatever atomizer or revolution or cartridge or cartomizer, whatever you're using needs to be threaded all the way in and seated firmly against the adapter, and then install the adapter into the device, because we have a few thousandths of an inch of movement in our contact here to make sure that you have the maximum extension of the contact and that you reach the contact of the device you're threading it into. And so this is a coarse thread pattern, and it's used on a number of popular devices. I'll give an example of a few of those. This is a popular device, and this adapter threads right on, and now you can enjoy this device with an atomizer. You can also use our adapter with our Revolution. If you're using a 3.7 volt device, make sure you're using our Revolution LB model. You can tell it's an LB, it's got a laser etch on the bottom. This is also a 510, it threads right into the adapter. I fully seat it, and then I thread this into the device I want to use it on. I can then finish putting that device together, and I'm ready to go and enjoy my ThermoVape low voltage Revolution on this device. So, you know, a number of devices have this same kind of more coarse thread pattern. Here's another example. So this will go right on there, and you can use it. Also, you know, the adapter on the atomizer. If you're going to use the adapter on the atomizer, I think you have to, with our atomizer at least, you want to put the cone on for your device and then go ahead and thread on your Ava. Not an issue if you're going to be using low voltage Revolution. You could thread that on after the cone goes on, or you can have the cone off and thread it on. But because of the shoulder on the current version of our Ava, you need to go ahead and put the cone on first. So these are very common. This is another marketed under a different name, but you know, essentially identical to the unit we were just looking at. That goes on there very nicely, or you know, you can use an atomizer. But again, with these guys, pop the cone on first if you're going to be using one of our atomizers. And if you're using this, you might want to get our atomizer. Pick your white drip tip if you want to go for a nice matching look there. So that is the adapter shown on our atomizer, as well as shown on our low voltage Revolution. The thread pattern on our standard Revolution is also the same, so you could use this on a standard Revolution. You can see no marking on the bottom of that. This is a standard voltage Revolution. And then there are some 6 volt or variable volt devices that use this thread pattern, the per se. There might be others as well. So if you do have a device that's variable voltage or 6 volts, you can put it onto our our regular Revolution and enjoy that as well. You could also then use this, at 6 volts or variable volts with the standard resistance Atomizers. This is our standard resistance atomizer there. So a lot of different ways that you can enjoy using this adapter and maybe expand the range of some of the devices you already have. Enjoy some of the ThermoVape products, Atomizers or essential oil concentrate vaporizers with some of your other devices. So that is the ThermoVape Universal Adapter. Thanks for joining us, and until we see you next time, cheers.